want to thank God for placing this beautiful girl.
Wow, may...
Okay, phase number 1. Phase number 2. Phase number 3. Phase number 4. And phase number 5. Alright, we have it. Congratulations to team number 1 ng Marites. Ngayong habang palakpakan naman natin sila. And of course, thank you so much guys for joining. Again, meron mo tayong prizes and games later on. Technical difficulty, ladies and gentlemen. We are glad to announce that our phone station is now officially open to those who wish to have their souvenirs in the upper seat to our phone booth station near to our staircase. Ayan, sa mga gusto mo kumuha na kanilang souvenirs, ito pa sa po ang ating photo booth station. So again guys, if you're needing all indigo, birthday and even weddings and corporate packages, again guys, don't forget about Salvi Producing Events Consultants. Again guys, you may also follow us on Facebook. Alright, so guys, like I said, I enjoy din ang ating dinner because later on we still have a lots of stuff to look forward to our program. So again guys, fully enjoy ang gabi ito.
Ano nangyari?
And while waiting for our performance music, ladies and gentlemen, palabas na lang ako ng cellphone because right now, I'm giving away the second set of number for our text me up before you go again. Sino nga ba sa inyo ang mag-uwi ng ating 2,000 piso ngayong gabi? Alright, for the second set of numbers. There you go. The second set of numbers are 7, 1, and 1. Again, that is 7, 1, and 1. 0915.
Oo, wala takong dito. Malulupat na.
Please stay station in our program. Maya-maya muli na nagbibigay ako ng panibagong set of numbers. So again, unang lang kong mag-text at unang mag-register sa aking inbox ay mag-uwi ng 2,000 pesos in cash. Sino nga ba ang mag-uwi niyan? Alright, so there we have it, ladies and gentlemen, and I do hope you enjoy our scrumptious dinner from Salvi Producing Events Consultancy. So again, guys, sa mga hindi pa nakapag-photo booth, guys, our photo booth station is now officially open. And sa mga gusto makapag-uwi ng kanilang souvenirs, ay maaari na po kayong dumiretso sa photo booth station near to our staircase. Ayan, bukas na po yan. So wala kayo ay makapag-uwi ng inyong mga souvenir together with your family and kids. So again, while waiting, guys, ayan.
We want to thank God for placing this beautiful girl, wonderful, adorable, kind-hearted, smart little girl sa buhay natin. Sobrang blessed sila to have you. Kung alam mo lang, ikaw yung missing piece na kumumpleto sa buhay nila. Kaya sana mahalin mo yung mama at papa mo. And kagaya ng nabanggit ko, mabait kang bata, matalino, masunurin. Just continue what you are doing and si Lord na bahala sa'yo. Huwag mo kakalimutan mag-pray. Mahal ka namin.
Kasi dati mahal na mahal ka ni Daddy at saka ni Mami mo. At saka mahal na mahal ka rin namin. Again, happy 7th birthday sa'yo. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much.
Maganda yung museum. Kung gustuhan mo. na love ka ni Tito, at Tito mo, love na love ka naman. Happy birthday!
Alright, Tito. Alright, thank you so much, Gail Christian. Alright guys, look at the camera.
Hindi.
Pinabubuntis ka pa nung mama mo.
Hindi.
Alright, thank you so much, Happy.
Shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, how very it was that your heart might decide. I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over sideways and under on a magic carpet ride. A whole new fantastic point of view. No one will tell us no, or right to go. Say we're
okay? Ayan, that is powered by Home Credit. Ayan, so limantaan muna. Again, bumilang ka ng 18th birthday o tibo ni Zia. Mabubuo na ang 2,000. Alright, congratulations. Diba? Meron ka bang And of course, guys, we are also giving away, ano yan? Pulo-pulo pa tayo papel sa mukha ko. Ayan, we're also giving away, guys, a special prizes for the best dress this evening. So as I call on your name, please join us here in front. Let's go. Sa lahat ng pamilyon, picture mo na kayo lahat sa unahan. Sabi magkaroon na sana ako doon eh.
Picture silang lahat na nagtutulog. Our pre-birthday. All right, ladies and gentlemen, wave. All right, so at this moment, ladies and gentlemen, this is the time that we sing a very, very happy birthday song for our dear celebrant, Zia. So guys, I need to hear your loudest happy birthday song this evening. All right, so on my cue. Happy birthday to you. Meron.